We have topped up with provisions at Whitchurch and returned to Grindley Brook to use the boaters' facilities there. We passed back through the lift bridge which marks the entrance to the Whitchurch arm. The canal continues to meander through some pretty and remote countryside. We are very close to the Welsh border here, and at one point between bridges 42 and 43 the border runs alongside the towpath. We moor just past bridge 43 on the outskirts of Whixhall Moss.
Good morning everybody.
Morning everyone.
And welcome to our vlog. You join us on a very wet day.
Yeah, we hadn't intended to cruise today. Well, actually no, we did intend to cruise today, but it wasn't supposed to rain.
You can never trust them weather forecasters, can you?
No. But when we left, because I'll tell you what we've done. We were in Whitchurch and we were on the 48-hour moorings, and because I managed to get some washing done, we decided to turn round and go and get some water.
Yeah, and the heavens opened and it participated.
It certainly did, didn't it?
And I got wet. Yeah. You were all right, you were inside.
I was mainly inside at the time, but we
pretty typical that.
Yeah, we filled up with water and got rid of our 48 hours worth of rubbish before moving on, and we wanted to get the maximum amount of benefit from the move from here to Ellesmere.
Yeah. Got a couple of people to say hello to. What was the name of the people on
Narrowboat Fiddlesticks?
Fiddlesticks.
Yeah.
Hello to you.
Hello to you. Yeah. Move over.
Move over.
You're coming out of shot. Oh.
I'm not coming out of shot. What, you don't want me in the shot?
No, yeah.
Oh, I'll get out if you don't want me in.
No, you're going out. Keep moving.
No, I'm not.
Look, just get on with it. Right,
yes.
Okay.
So, where are we heading today, my honey bunny?
Right, okay. So, we were at Whitchurch, but like I said, we've gone down to Grindley Brook locks and turned round. So, we're on our way back to Whitchurch. But we've got 3 swing bridges ahead of us, so we thought we'd do the piece to camera now because of the 3 swing bridges ahead, and we're not going far today, are we?
No, not really. No, we've gone nowhere. In fact, we've gone backwards today so far.
Yeah. So we're gonna just find
Let me toot, just in case.
Yeah, because we're coming up.
Because I can't see around this bridge.
Coming up to a bridge.
Yeah.
So
we're just going to find a lovely spot somewhere.
Yeah. So we're just going to head through Whitchurch and out the other side today.
Yeah.
So let's hope it doesn't rain anymore.
Yeah.
But it probably won't, because I've got all my waterproof trousers on now.
I'm wet, so it doesn't matter.
And he's soaked.
I'm just a big drip.
Yeah.
As people keep telling me. But never mind.
Yeah.
So that's it really. So
So we'll you can join us on the first lift bridge, and we'll see you when we moor up.
Yeah. Bye for now.
Bye for now. So I'm just coming up to the first swing bridge. We were moored just the other side of this bridge. Oh, and there's the fuel boat there, who we caught on the way down and re-topped up with fuel. So this was where we left you last time. There's an Aldi just there, so we made use of that and did a rather large shop. These are only 48-hour moorings, and we did only stop 48 hours, or just over. So we made use of the shop there. It poured hard yesterday, so we didn't get up into town, but we've got plenty of time on this canal, and we're hoping to come back when when we can stay for 2 weeks on the 48-hour moorings and explore the town then. So this is Whitchurch Marina, and it looks like it's a ABC boat hire. And it looks like ABC Boat Hire have a base here. So that's the second swing bridge, and that was quite busy because I was there for 4 boats going through. So I managed to get there just as a single boater was arriving, and then after we went through, there was 2 other boats came the other way. So Pat's way up there, probably almost at the next swing bridge by now. And there he is, waiting patiently for me to arrive.
See those people back there?
Yeah.
I don't know what their names are. She shouted out Meg and somebody or other.
Oh, I don't know, they didn't say anything to me. No.
These bridges are a bit of a wind up. Oh, she looks tired. Suppose I ought to see if I can get through. There's a caravan park, I think. I think that's the entrance to the caravan park. Cafe and a takeaway. Hello.
It's always the way, isn't it? You always meet another boat at a narrow bit or a bridge or a lift bridge. Pat's waiting for them to go through. So we had a free passage through that one. As we got to it, there was a boater coming through the other way. So thank you to them. So we pulled in here. We probably misjudged it really. We made a mistake. We should have stopped a lot further back. But you know what it's like. There's always a nicer mooring round the corner. And we thought we'd just go a little bit further. And we ended up coming a lot further. So we got quite cold and decided to pull in. Although the sun's out, the wind's picked up quite considerably. And it's pretty cold at the moment. It's still a nice spot though. So we can probably afford to stay here for quite a while actually, probably certainly a few days. We topped up with some fuel again from the fuel boat while we were on our way down to the water tap. And we'd used a little bit more than we thought we had. That's I think because of the flow of the water. We're coming up at higher revs. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Once you've subscribed, you can hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you every time we release a new video. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.